Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will know that how to fix pen drive is not showing on my computer. So guys, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe the channel. Here you can find more video related to fix for Windows 7, Windows 10, Windows 11 and other software. So look guys, let's start the video. Right click on this PC and click here show more option. And after that guys, select here manage, and after that guys click here disk management option. So guys, you can see here your pen drive is showing here this disk 2. Right click on it, this pen drive size, and click here new simple value and click here next, and select any drive letter here, and after that click here next button, and select here file system as NTFS. Okay, you can check this checkbox and click here next and click here format disk. Okay, and click here start button. Okay, so guys, format, click on OK and close this window. You can see here your pen drive is now showing here on under your my computer. So guys, if your problem is fixed, please subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you so much.